friend Davey, he ended up getting all the coolant done, exhaust done when I was away. So now let's start her up and see what she sounds like. Nice cold start for you guys. So how's it feel to get this car running now?
Finally. Come on, running again.
Feels nice.
We made it so far.
After the first drive, we found a massive oil leak, which was coming from
If you want, you can take
the oil housing,
oil filter housing.
So we're just going to replace that, put a new filter, new gasket,
New oil, new coolant, again.
and then take it for a drive again. So we're just going to replace the gaskets. It's a pretty simple fix, it looks like. Just 4 bolts. We already took out 1, 2, you can see. Ow. Down here. Another there, another here, another up there. So we're just going to take those off.
Careful, you're pulling on that thing. You're pulling the whole housing out of it, but you're pulling the whole reservoir down.
I'm trying to disconnect it from the housing. Screwdriver.
Pull the housing out with the hose.
The hose is tied to the reservoir.
No, I disconnected it. Oh, at the top.
Up here.
So let me disconnect it up here then.
I already have it disconnected. Just give me a screwdriver just to pry it off. Alright, so I'm just going to clean this out. Clean it off as much as I can, but all this here is pretty much corrosion and pitted inside, so it's going to add a bit of gasket maker in there to make sure it seals properly. And also, there's this one too. It's pitted around there.
And here's the gasket.
There's the gasket. The gasket will go right there.
So I'll show them the old gasket.
There's an old gasket that came out. She looks pretty healthy. I don't know if it gets like that. Anyways. Alright, so we're gonna add a bit of silicone. It's a silicone gasket maker. And we'll go from there.
And then he's gonna set the gasket on top of that.
And then do the same underneath. Tweak these bolts, but I also don't want them loose. You got the Torx back?
Yeah.
How many elbow clicks?
Yeah. You don't like these holes in front, eh?
No, they're stupid.
No, they're stupid.
Because they open up so wide, and then channel lock, you have to set it so it grabs it, and then you pinch it, and it's too short,
Yeah.
so it doesn't compress it all the way. And then you gotta do this, where it's like, the thing is like open so much you can't even close it. You can put clamps like everybody else. I was gonna say, well, you don't have the proper tools, that's what I'm gonna do.
Did you plug in the oil pressure switch?
Yes.
Okay, get out of there. Scoot.
You don't want to clean the rest of this oil?
No, get out.
Right, oh? Oh, the coolant overspill. All right, let's go take it for a test drive. All right, we're back from the drive, and no oil leaks. Those are previous oil stains, but no leaks. So I think we're good to go. Could be ripping the streets.
Yeah.
Looking at a lot of back ends. It's gonna be looking at the back of this all the time. Hold on, let me show you guys. This is a view the Mustang's gonna get all the time. All right, that's the end of the Super Mustang.
Yeah. The Super Mustang, fourth motor, last motor. That's it. No more.
And in this great Canadian weather, it was minus 5, 10 a couple days ago. Now it's plus 35 degrees.
If you guys followed this video from beginning, it was snowing 3 weeks ago. And
Yeah.
today it's 30 to 31 degrees. So that tells you how funny Canadian weather is. Hope you enjoyed everything that we've done.
We'll leave it off with a clean car wash and a nice drive-by of the car. Enjoy.
Okay, put that hose back on. That thing with jiggy hose. Coolant hose.
I've got holes. In different area codes. Area codes. I've got holes.